Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, view and test. Solar powered shower from Parkside. Shower water heated by solar energy, max 60 degrees Celsius, with an integrated water tank 18 liters and thermometer. Shower head dimensions 15 centimeters. Accessories included, click system with a 3 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. And the manual included at the box. So many accessories. So let's see one by one what we have in the box. 4 screws included, expansion, anchor and washer. You can use these screws for concrete. You can mount permanently this shower wherever is suitable for you. Another 4 screws for wooden floor. And we have the caps for the screws. 1 foot shower. It is plastic. Everything is plastic. Wow. With adjustable water flow. The connection tube. 1 large sealing ring. Ball joint. Plastic, and this connection thread. Teflon tape, because we need to do some plumbing. Sealing rings, 2 and 1 large, 1 filter. Connection adapter for garden hose with silicone rubber, in and out here. And of course the shower head. You can use this tube for the shower head. Now let me show you how you can assemble the shower head. The large sealing ring inside the shower head. And you can adjust it. Small sealing ring goes inside here, then install that here, this tube, and later I will show you how you can install at the main unit. We have 2 different tubes. It is the main body. Here at the bottom you can install this water adapter for your hose. At the bottom we have in this drainage. You can remove and empty all the water. This is plastic. Everything is plastic. Here you can install the foot shower. 1 ring inside, and then install the foot shower. Tied it very well. If you want, you can use in this Teflon. We will see if it is necessary later. You can remove and clean it. Here it is and the regulator for the water, hot and cold. This is for the shower head. At the other tube we can install the shower head. You can use this sealing ring with filter. And again, if you want, you can use the Teflon, your choice. If you have any leaks, use it. I will test it later and see how it works. There you have it. Later I will show you how it looks all the unit together. And of course we have the temperature control. There it is. From 0 to 80 degrees Celsius it says here. And somehow you need to connect both tubes together. There's the connection. So inside here you need to use this huge ring, sealing ring, and then connect together both. There is no leakage at any connection. Obviously, if you have this unit in direct sunlight, it will get hot enough to take a bath due to the plastic materials it is made of. The beauty of this system is its simplicity and eco-friendliness. The large black water tank harnesses the sun's energy to provide you with a comfortably warm shower, completely free of charge. No electricity needed, just sunshine and water. And that handy foot shower tap is brilliant addition for quickly rinsing off sand or mud. Plus connecting it to your garden hose is a snap. The temperature mixers let you easily dial in your perfect warmth. Blend in the solar heated water with cold from your garden hose. Whether you are by the pool, camping, in your garden, or anywhere you want a warm rinse without the hassle of plumbing or electricity, the Parkside solar powered shower delivers. It's convenient, cost effective and kind to the environment. So ditch the cold water hose and embrace the warmth and convenience of solar power. The Parkside solar powered shower is a brilliant addition to any outdoor space. And that wraps up our look at the fantastic Parkside solar powered shower. As you've seen, this is the perfect way to enjoy a refreshing warm shower outdoors, completely powered by the sun. Where would you use a solar powered shower? Have you tried one before? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below. We'd love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful or are now dreaming of warm outdoor showers, please give us a big thumbs up. It really helps our channel. And for more reviews of innovative and practical products, make sure you are subscribed and have hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks so much for watching everyone. We are always on the lookout for smart, sustainable solutions to make your life better. Until next time, stay shiny, stay clean, and we'll see you in the next one.